Yeah, the stream is on. Yeah. Good morning, everyone.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Nice to see you again. Today is Sunday, 17th of November, and Bitcoin price now is 90,000. It went up to like 93,000 on Thursday, Singapore time.
Yeah.
That Thursday, Singapore time. That's Wednesday, US time, right? Yeah. So after that, it correct down. It doesn't really correct down immediately. So, oh yeah, it did. After hitting 93, it got down to 86. And then I think at that point, a lot of people got worried again. But I believe at that point, a lot of institutions are buying in. Yeah, so now we are averaging at about 90,000, 91,000, this kind of range. Yeah, so which is really very nice to see. Yeah, so it is like 4 weeks ago we were talking about whether how possible it is, and we were very optimistic about the price of Bitcoin hitting 100,000. So now we are very much closer to that point already.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. Last week, there's some technical issue and we cannot do live stream on this channel. And then today we are back, and with the price of the Bitcoin is above 90,000, and in the middle of middle of last week, we see the Bitcoin price hit the 93,000. Yeah, it's a good signal for when the Bitcoin price go up like this. A lot of investor trader got the profits that at this moment when the price of the Bitcoin should go up above 90,000. Yeah, and there are so many factors. There are so many things that boost the price of the Bitcoin go up like this. And based on the body market, we see that is a voting what price of the Bitcoin hit in November. We see is 69% of the vote say that it will hit 95,000 in this October, in this November. Yeah, it's a good thing, and we all can try to see how much of the Bitcoin price can reach. Yeah. And next to our live stream this morning, I have some article. Yeah, before that, let Mr. Nicholas share some chart, some indicator about the Bitcoin price with the US dollar.
This is something very interesting. I believe this is just a meme, right? Yeah. So of course, when we talk about Bitcoin, we are always excited about how the Bitcoin price go up and just keep. And then there's somebody out there who is painting another idea. They say, "Oh, what seems to be happening is that the Bitcoin prices keep going up, going up, going up, and the US dollar remain the same." So in reality, the Bitcoin price is like going on a sideways, but US dollar is going down, 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 down. So that is a very interesting way to look at it. Although it's a little bit exaggerated, but why not? Why not? We can think along this line as well. Yeah. So of course, Bitcoin price movement is according to how the world has expected ever since Trump has been started talking about crypto, and US presidential election is a big thing for the world, right? Yeah, so every 4 years the whole world is looking at it. The whole world is expecting something good to come out of it. And this time around for the crypto community, wow, it's really coming to pass. Yeah, so right now a lot of us are reaping the benefit from it. And of course, this chart is just for us to stir our mind and start to think
yeah,
on the other side of the coin.
yeah,
Yeah. So it may not be really the case, but it's good for us to think, Mr. Richard.
yeah, yeah. With this chart, it look like the flip one. Is if you flip the flip in vertical, yeah, and you will see how Bitcoin price go up when the US dollar price is the same with the US dollar, yeah. And now we go to the next chart. It says, Mr.
Okay,
Nicholas.
this chart is what I feel is a very good chart for us to estimate and expect what can happen. Is that on the right side of the chart, you see that the halving, or after the halving, you start to see the price remain similar for some time before, right? So at the
Yeah,
point when it moved up was the election. Then after which it's like you see the yellow part on the right side end. So that is what a lot of people, or rather a lot of investors, institutional investors are expecting. And of course, uh, how far will it go is that year is what 2024 2025. So that would probably be expected after 2025 for it to hit even higher,
yeah,
reaching 100,000. Yeah, so or rather reaching far beyond 100,000. Yeah, so of course it may also move slightly down, uh, but there's a bottom line. The line at the bottom is where it would probably cut off before it start to move up again. Yeah, so that is how we can expect how high can the price go now, and how low can the price go at the same period of time. Yeah, this is
yeah,
very much similarly painted by the range chart as we have seen before in the past. Yeah, so this is like they draw a ceiling line and then they draw a bottom line and let you see how far in between the price can go. And of course, when if we see that the price is touching the bottom, just like the previous line, where that is what that is which year is that 2020? Yeah. So the one that's touching just before the previous halving. So
yeah,
after that, it swing up again, and then it hit the top ceiling again, and then it moved down again. So this is a kind of this information I believe are very technical, and of course it is very true to the trend. So this allow us to have a certain level of expectation and precaution when we
yeah,
invest in Bitcoin or other coins. We look at the price of Bitcoin and see how far high or how low that it could go at the same
yeah.
certain period of time, Mr. Richard. Yeah.
Yeah, as Mr. Nicholas showed us the history of the Bitcoins, how how the Bitcoin price react after the halving and after the president election. Yeah, but every four circles have a little bit different. Like at this time, after the halving, uh, uh, and after the halving and before the president election, Bitcoin reached the new ATH, and and now again it's make the ATH daily. Yeah, and last time after the halving and after the president election, it take around 3 to 7 months for for Bitcoin to reach a new ATH. And this time is a little bit early because we have some of the factor like Trump win in the president election, and Bitcoin spot ETF have been released in the beginning of this year. Yeah, that's why now at this time some of the company like some of the countries they may get the FOMO, fear of missing out, so they accumulate Bitcoin earlier. And at this time, we see the news that Bitcoin will go up to this new ATS nearly every day. Last week, and now we see turn on the television, all the some of the channel also have the also share to us about how the Bitcoin can go and how far, how high it can go. But we should think that don't get too formal, don't get too excited when the Bitcoin like that. And sometimes we need it the price cool down so we can jump in. Like last time, some of my friend and relative when the price go up a lot and they jump in and they keep hanging there now for years. Yeah. That's why we need to slowly do accumulation and then keep buy daily with a
Yeah.
little bit with a little amount. Yeah,
So what Richard actually saying is that
yeah,
you do gradual investment, like
yeah, yeah,
every day or every week, just a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. And I think
yeah,
slowly you accumulate it and you solidify your portfolio that way, rather than
yeah,
getting so wavered by what the market movement for that day. Oh, suddenly the price shoot up. Oh, now I need to rush in.
yeah,
Oh, suddenly now the price going down. Oh, now I fear that I might lose all. Then I start.
yeah, yeah. That's right.
So this
Yeah,
is what happened to a lot of beginner investors when they got worried. Yeah. So also, what Mr. Richard suggests is very good for us to keep ourselves our pace of investment in check, so that we don't throw in everything we have for that week to buy something. Yeah. So we slowly, bit by bit, and along the way we are able to expect, or rather the market will be able to help you build a stronger portfolio that way.
yeah,
Yeah. And even along the way, an investor would, while investing in Bitcoin, you're like, hey, this other altcoin is also following. Then they start to
mm,
see the trend as well. They start to see that this altcoin is also good. So maybe I
yeah,
want to put 5% of what I invest in Bitcoin over to this particular one as well. So you never know. And things might happen that way, and you might help yourself unknowingly as well. Yeah. So thank you, Mr. Richard, for that suggestion.
yeah. Uh, a few days ago, some people were asking, "Oh, what's happened with the XRP, the Ripple? Then why is go up a lot?" Yeah, I say, "Oh, it's go nearly 47%." Yeah. Uh, if we if I check with the 7 day, with 7 day is it's if we compare with 7 day, the Ripple go up to 27%. What's happening with the Ripple? Yeah, that's a story because last time we see the Ripple have a lot of issue with the SEC. Yeah, SEC uh, is a government department that try to control some of the security control the security of the for the company, and they they may sue some of the company if they issue the stock and some of the good, some of the things that relate with the security. Yeah, that's why Ripple have been sued by SEC previously, and now people know that the the chair of the SEC, Gary Gensler. Yeah, you may hear Gary Gensler. He's he's going to resign before the Trump go up to the president. Yeah, and now Ripple feel very excited and make a move. When Ripple make a move, we see the IDA, we see some of the all the altcoin go up. Yeah. After Bitcoin, we will see the altcoin. Yeah. So don't be so static and keep watching, keep observe the market and and try to jump into the market slowly and slowly to feel the hype when the
Yeah.
Bitcoin price go up like this. Yeah,
Slowly walk into the market. Don't
yeah,
dive into the market.
yeah, mm,
Walk into the river. Don't dive into the river.
yeah. It's look like the same first time you try to explore the market with just a very small amount and it take a long time. It take a few months to see how the Bitcoin go. And at this time we also see the Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum a little bit slow at this season. Yeah. I
Yeah.
also don't know. Maybe because after the upgrading and some of the other activity in the other chains, Ethereum may look left behind. Yeah. So I also think it's also a chance for us to to get more when the price is cheap like this. Yeah. And back to our And then now back to our slide. U.S. advanced Bitcoin reserve plan with the Bitcoin Act of 2024. Yeah. Here's the article I want to share. The Bitcoin because before Trump go up and he promised to acquire 1 million Bitcoin for the U.S. reserve. I also don't know what will he do. And
Yeah. So actually, this statement, this move is very interesting. He said
yeah,
he want to acquire 1 million Bitcoin for U.S. reserve, right? So in
yeah.
other words, he himself is also expecting the U.S. dollar to like the value of U.S. dollar to go down. Or rather, he already saw that the US dollar is no longer that strong, so he need to accumulate Bitcoin as well. Yeah,
Yeah, that's right. But I think as the businessman, of course, he want to buy something when it's cheap and he will have another certain level. Like now, if US accumulate and reserve the Bitcoin, uh, the same with as a goal. So after that, US may have a different level with the other country. Yeah, and he as I read the news, some of the news, he want to buy 100,000 BTC in next year or this year, next year. Yeah, and then
only when he get into office, then he'll be able to do that
yeah,
uh,
yeah.
with no opposition.
Yeah, it looks like El Salvador, one of the country, the first country legalize Bitcoin, and then now he's very happy when he see the U.S. Follow up with this thing, and during the Trump president election, he also said that he want to be the Bitcoin president. Yeah. So let's see how. And now in Trump government, he his his party they Republic. Yeah, his Republic control both house and both house and uh, that means his party can control both and he have the
Both
full
the House
power.
and the Senate.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. How and the Senate. Yeah. Now he have more powerful to control
Yeah,
all the law he want
yeah.
to apply.
This is very important for any president
Yeah,
of United States because if they control only half either one of the Senate, house, then
yeah,
someone out there will oppose to what their idea, oppose to their suggestion, oppose to their view, whatever, and then things cannot move smoothly. So now they control both of these, right? Yeah. So it's easier for him to do a lot of things. Yeah.
yeah. That's why it's very easy to do a lot of things with this. And the next slide I want to share about the macro strategy. This information I got it from coin market cap. Yeah, it's no this one. Yeah, this one macro strategy. 26 billion Bitcoin stashed outside. That means it's the cash reserve is more than IBM and Nike. Yeah, it's it's now we see how powerful when the company accumulate the crypto Bitcoin like this. Yeah, and nowadays some company following up with the accumulate live macro strategy, and they just say that they will reserve the bitcoins in the portfolio, keep buying bitcoin and something similar like that. Yeah, now because the company, if they want to buy more crypto, it's easy, just go and buy in the Bitcoin spot ETF, and they can get it. Yeah, uh, they don't need any technical thing to reserve or keep it in their own wallet. And now they just rely on the ETF market. Yeah, uh, of course, it's a little bit fun. That means with the Bitcoin, actually we need to have our own wallet to keep it. But now the Wall Street they have their solution to use the ETF. Yeah, own the Bitcoin we keep in the Coinbase and the other exchange, and we buy the spot ETF. It look like buy the share of this. Yeah, it's very good for this. Yeah, and now we see some of the last slide. I want to share about the Bitcoin price. Understand Bitcoin new 5 years low impact on this raise to 100,000. Yeah. Now at this time we also expect it can reach 100,000 soon. I remember last 4 years when the Bitcoin price 69,000, I also expect it's 100,000. But after it reached around 69,000, it's going down. Yeah, it takes 4 years for us. Yeah, we wait for 100,000 for a long time. Yeah, and now in the article, it said that Bitcoin market dynamic. Yeah, because at this time, this one say Bitcoin price reached 91,000 and it's dropped in the exchange because some of the suppliers want, some of the investor want to take the profits, and it had a little bit correction, and also we see the CPI and core CPI in the US data is not good at expectation, and with the Fed chair. Fed chair said that he will think about may delay uh, when uh, reduce the interest rate. It may make the market a little bit struggling, and then it had a correction like this time. And last week we on day we see the Bitcoin reach the new all-time high daily, and now it's a little bit cooling down. Yeah, we hope that in the next few days or in the end of this November, Bitcoin price may reach the 100,000 ASAP as expectation. And then in the article, we also can see the golden cross had entered the bullish territory as well. Yeah. Also, it means that we reach a lot of data and figure to show that we are in the bull run. Yeah. in the bull run, it means that the markets at this time is keep going up and going up daily, weekly, or monthly. Yeah, that's that's why after Bitcoin so go up, we will see all the altcoins falling up with us. Yeah, and of course. Another again, we just remind that don't be so excited when the price of Bitcoin go up like this. Yeah, just
Yeah,
slowly about it.
it's good to be excited, but we have to control our emotion.
Yeah, that's right. This market is look like the e- emotion market too, because sometimes we see people excited, we falling up, and we will stay high forever. Yeah. So as Warren Buffett also said to us, be be fear when people greedy, and be rich when greedy when people fear. Yeah. When the market so red, just keep buying, and when the market so green, slowly down selling it. Yeah, that's why at this time we must observe to see how the market, and we may get some of the profits. Yeah. uh, I also think that this morning we share some information is enough for us to digest, to know more about how Bitcoin price go up, and let's to that mean it's a little bit warm up for us after 2 weeks. Not online the live stream on the service channel. If you are new in our channel, please give us a like and subscribe. And now it's also time for us to complete the live stream. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas.
All right, thank you all for joining us. So the thing is that oh, actually, I want to say something, but it kind of
Yeah,
slip for it.
yeah,
Oh, yeah, but anyway, thank you all for joining us. So as we slowly look at the market and look at how things. Oh yeah. So one thing I want to bring up is that now that Trump is holding the trophy right now, right? He's
yeah,
holding the key or whatever you call it. So in the next 4 years, I believe there will be a lot of adjustment in terms of regulations, in terms of how SEC is going to move. So
yeah,
this, I think, this Trump win is going to impact some of the decisions he may be doing. So maybe into. So let's watch and see. Yeah. So we hope you
yeah,
make some money, and of course, do your own due diligence as you invest in all coins, even BTC itself. Yeah. So we hope you make some money, and we see you in our next live stream. Bye bye.
yeah. See you in our next live stream. Goodbye.